Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color very beautiful sheep. Let's start drawing. First I'm going to draw the top of the head and then the face. This is nose and then 2 eyes. Now I will draw 2 ears. Then I started drawing its much larger body, like this. Now I will take the 4 legs of this sheep. Wow, kids! Legs number 2. Leg number 3. And finally, leg number 4. I will draw many curved lines all over this sheep, like this. Wow, awesome! We are going to have a drawing. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Sorry, friends, I forgot to draw its tail. Sorry, kids. Let's start coloring. I'm going to add pink color to its head. Next, I'm going to add red color to its 2 ears. Next, I'm giving it a light blue color. Now, I'll put yellow paint on its face. Red color. Aqua color. I'm giving you my favorite color. This time I'm giving you a light green color. This is the color orange. Pink color. And then I'll give it 4 legs of peach color. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!